Having illustrated how a set of peak labels can be used to create a quantification table, we might also like to just create a set of labels for this survey spectrum that corresponds to the one that we've worked up earlier for this sputtered sample. So all of these labels here are annotating the peaks, and we would perhaps like to have exactly the same display here so that we can transfer that into a report. So to prevent the information that has been prepared in this survey spectrum from being destroyed, what I'm going to do is take a copy of this survey measurement and include all of the information that I've prepared, such as the annotation and the regions. This will all be copied and will appear in the VAMAS file that's just below the survey spectrum. So these two now are VAMAS blocks that are completely equivalent. This is the measured version that's been processed. This is the new version that has all this processing on it. But what I would like to do is create now a display that is purely the same as what we see here. So this does not have any regions on it, and it has a different set of labels, and these are the labels that I would like now to apply to this spectrum that I've just created. So as you can see, labels and annotation table. If I select, as it is, this survey measurement, place my cursor over the top of the tile that is displaying the survey spectrum with the annotation, and this has no regions on it, so when I right click I can copy the annotation and I can also copy the regions. Now as it happens, since there are no regions, what that will do is it will remove the regions from the selected VAMAS block. So the annotation will all be removed and replaced by what you see in this tile here. So let's apply this by pressing the OK button, and what we see is now the data where the annotation is the equivalent annotation to the annotation that was prepared for this after mono sputtering. So this is the as received, and we now have labeled up exactly the same set of photo emission peaks.